Hey everyone, welcome back to TechIn. Today let's learn about Python lists, the most flexible data structure used to store multiple items in a single variable. Let's get started.
Today we go for discuss regarding a list class, right, or list data structure. So here first we go for some basic points regarding a list, right. So first we can call that a list is a predefined class. So there is a function is available, len function is used to get numbers of element present in list class. Then another one function is available, help regarding that list. What is the use is used to get manual about list class. So these three is the common point regarding list. So next is the list element can be represented by square bracket and each element separate by comma. Then list is collection of both similar and dissimilar type of element, both similar and dissimilar types of element, right. Then object name return all element present in list class. It is support duplicate elements. Then it is linear, ordered data structure because it follow element insert order. It follow element insert order. Then it is a iterable type. Means from list we can access one element by using loop. Then it is mutable. Type because after create we can change or update list element. So we can call it as that is a mutable type. So these are some basics point regarding list. So what are the points I'm writing to prove that one? We go for how to define that list using class name. So definition using class name, right? How to define that list using some class name. So first, if I go for my program, I just have to check out that one. So first we check object equal to list. Already you know that object is that obj is the object of my list class, but this is an empty list. So if empty list is available, so print sir that length of object. So length of object will be returned, that will be the empty means 0, and what is the value of object? So that is a empty means that will be returned the empty list. So that is a square bracket is available. So if you check out, yes sir, that is available. But we know anything is represented by parenthesis, that is called a tuple. So suppose I'm writing 10, 20, 30 and or 340 and sir pi, and again sir 10 is available. So if I check here print Type function is used to get the class type of object, so length of object, and what is the value of object. So if you check, that must be written the tuple type. Yes sir, class tuple, length of 5, 10, 20, 3, 40, pi 10 is available. But we are learning the list class. So before that tuple, I just write my class name is the list. So now that tuple will be convert, right? So this is called as a typecast. Tuple, tuple type to list type cast. This one is the tuple type to list type cast, right? So now if you check, that type is the list. So class list. So length is available 5. Length is available 5 sir, and what are the output is available sir? Output is available 10, 20, 3, 4, 3, 340 and pi and again 10. So if you check here, support a duplicate element, and in which order we are writing, in the same order we are getting our output, right? So now if you check, yes sir, that class is list 10, 20, 3, 40, pi and 10 is available. So like anything is represented by single quote or double quote, that is we know string. Suppose there is a string is available, hello Python. Hello Python is available. So if I check out what is the type is available, so type, so definitely that is a string type. And what is the length, to get number of character present in that object, and what is the value, so value will be available hello Python. So definitely we are getting that string, class string, length is available 12, hello Python. But before that string, I just write list. So list, each element is separated by a comma. So now you are getting that output, class list, length of 12. So duplicate is available, and each character is now represented within a square bracket separated with a comma. So now that will be converted string, that a string class to list class. So this will be the called as a typecast string to list class, right? str to list cast yeah, list conversion. So next sir, object equal to, so anything is represented by curly braces, but each element is separated by comma, that is called as a set class, right? So now if you check, sir, this is a set class, but in a set class it does not support a duplicate element, and set is the immute unordered type. So if I check type of object, that is a set. If I print out length of object, so there is duplicate is not allowed, so it will be written all the unique element and object name. So set does not support a duplicate, set is unordered type. So if you check here, what is the output is available, so that output is available set, class set, length is available 4, and that output is available 56, 0, 12, 23. So there is no duplicate is available, and that order is not available, so that is called as unordered and does not support duplicate. It always return unique element. But we are learning the list class. So before set, if I'm writing list class, that is called as a set to list cast. Maybe our list support a duplicate element, but here this is the first set class, so it will be changed to all the element, means duplicate will be removed, and it is a set means order will be changed to. So now class list, but length is available 4, all the unique elements are available, and if you check what is the value is available, so the value is available 56, 0, 12 and 23, right? Because that set class will be changed the order. So here that is the first set class, after that will be converted to list class. So these are some definition. By using class name, we can define a list, like we can define directly a list class, or from tuple to list class, or from set to list class, or string to list cast, right? So this is the our list class, how to define that one, and what are the basics point regarding a list. But a list is a mutable type, I already informed. What is a mutable? Mutable means that element can be changed. Suppose object equal to, there is a list is available 10, 20, 30, 40. So according to index mechanism, that 10 is placed in a 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. This is also support negative index. So this is the -4 index, -4, -3, -2, -1, right? This is the -4, -3, -2 and -1 index, right? -2 and -1 index, right? So now if you check out what is the meaning of mutable, if I access object of a zero index, now that is available 10. So if you check, yes sir, by using index we can access one element, so 10 is available. If that 10 is replaced with or changed with another one value, so object of in a zero index who is available, I replaced with 1000. So now if I print object, so previous object name return that are 10, 20, 30, 40. Now that object will be returned 1000, 20, 30 and 40. So list is a mutable. Mutable means after creation that will be changeable. So that we are called as a mutable type. I hope what are the points I'm writing regarding list, all the points will be clear.